Hi guys, functions and relations. There's another video. These types of questions are also there in which we have to find the value of GOF, FOG, FOF, that is the composition of functions. And there's one more question, find the domain of F and G, find the range of F and G. These types of questions are there also in your textbook. Now I'm going to explain you how will you solve these types of compositions of functions one by one. For example, there's question number 1, find the value of GOF. That means the question number 1 is find the value of GOF. Now from here, if you observe the value of F, this has the ordered pair 1, 4, then 2, 1, 3, 3, and 4, 2. And for the G, we have the relations 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, and 4, 4. Now just concentrate on this part of the blackboard. You have to find GOF, the value of the composition function GOF. In order to find the value of GOF, you start from function f. Now here, the first variant here is 1. So the value for GOF is, this is 1. 1 from the f of the function. Now where is 1? There its image is 4. For the f1, its image is 4. Now we find out the value of 4 in the relation of G. Now the value of 4 is over here. That means this is 1, this is its value is 4. And then this is 4 and its value is 4. Okay. Now next one. This is 2. Its value is 1. So right here 2. Its value is 1. And we have to find the value of 1 from the G. So value of 1 at the exposition is 3. So we write over here 3. Now next one. This is 3. And its image is 3. Now the value of 3 from here. This is 3. So here it is y, it is x. So its value is 2. Now next one. We have 4. Its image is 2. So it is 2. So here we have here 2. So value of 2 is 1. So this is the answer for the function GOF. Okay. Clear? So in order to find GOF, we start from function f and finding its images in functions relation of G. Now if we have second question, FOG, then how will we do this? Now in order to find FOG, the value of composition function FOG, we start from the function G. Okay. Now this is 1, 3. So write over here 1. Now its image is 3. Okay. Now this is the image of 3. Now we search it in the value of the relation f. So now here it is 3 and its image is 3. Now next one. We have 2 over here in the G. Its image is 1. Okay. Now its image is 1. So we search over here. Its image is 1. 1. It has image 4. See over here. 2. Then it is 1. Then it is 1. Its image is 4. So we write 2, 4. Next one. It is 3. Its image is 2. So 2 here. We have 1 over here. Now next one 4. Its image is 4. So 4 is over here. So it has 2. So this is the value of the function FOG. Now I am going to explain you how will you find FOF. Okay. Now for FOF, you have to consider only the function f. Okay. And from here, I just rub the G part. Clear? Now, value of 1 is 4. That means the value of 1 is 4. Now, the value of 4 is what? That means, listen one thing. value of 1 is 4. It is at x position, it is at y position. Now make this position 4 at x. So here we have 4 and its value is 2. So our relation is what? 1 comma 2. This is 1 and that is the last answer 2. So value of is 1 comma 2. Now next one. See here, it is 2. Its value is 1. So now make it 1 as over here. This one. Now its 1 is value is 4. So write over here 2 and 4. I think the concept is now more clear to you. Now next one. It is 3. Its answer is 3. Make it 3 over here. Now again this is 3. So its answer is 3. So it becomes 3 comma 3. Now next one. What we have? This is 4. Value of 4 is 2. Now make the 2 over here. Value of 2 is 1. So 4 comma 1. So this is the answer of composition function FOF. Using this method you can solve any question of your textbook. Now next question, what is the domain of f and g? Domain are all the values, all the elements which comes at the position of x. Okay. So domain of number 1 f. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. Now domain of g. Consider this set. This is 1, then 2, this is 3, and this is 4. All the terms which are at x position. Okay. Now find the range of f and g. Range. Okay. Now for the range, we consider the elements which are at the y position. That is 4, then 1, then 3, then 2. And here, this is 3, this is 1, this is 2, this is 4. So in this way, we solve that, find the domain and range and GOF and FOG and FOF. And similarly, we can also find the value of GOG. So I think the video is helpful to you to solve different types of questions. Thank you.